You guys requested them, so I'm gonna start making some Crusty Sean drinks. Here's the first one. Quick, jump, orange. It all starts with a tasty syrup. Here's what you need to make it. I'm using one of my favorite ingredients, these cool drink powders. Cool with a K. Oh yeah. Measure out a teaspoon. You don't want to use the whole packet, but the leftovers keep for another time. In a small pot, place water and sugar. Whisk it up and bring it to a boil. It's quicker if you put a lid on it. See? Once you get a rolling boil, turn off the heat and whisk in your drink powder. This is where you want to use a whisk because sometimes the sugar or the powder clumps up and you don't want that. Cool. Now pour this whole mess into something with a pour spout and put it in the fridge until it's cooled completely. It should only take about an hour. Congrats! You made some tasty, quick, jump syrup. Here's the stuff that you'll need to make the rest of the drink. Alright, fill your drink cup with crushed ice. You can use cubed ice, but crushed ice makes it kind of sort of slushy-like, and it's getting a little bit hotter now, so why not get your slushy on? Fill your glass up about 2/3 with orange juice. And then top it off with sparkling water. Alright, now using a spoon, drizzle on the syrup. It should trickle down nicely like a lava lamp. Ooh. See? It's the kind of fancy drink you would get from a food truck, only it costs pennies to make. Quick, jump, orange is yummy. Want more Splatoon recipes? There's a whole playlist, including my most popular video ever, Deep Fried Schwaffle? Yeah, Schwaffle. Check them out. Also, be sure to like, comment, and request recipes you'd like to see. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon too so you don't miss a video. See you next time. Bye!